Hello learners, welcome to EduAccess. Today we begin a new science topic, measurement of length and motion. Let's start with a question. Why do we need to measure anything at all? This is Deepa. She has grown taller and needs a new school uniform. Her mother buys 2 meters of cloth from the shopkeeper. But wait, the tailor doesn't use the same scale. He uses a measuring tape, and Deepa's mom says, make it longer by 4 angle. What's 4 angle? In olden times, people used their body parts to measure. Handspan, ballast, foot length, arm stretch, cubit. But there's a problem. Different people have different sized hands and feet. That's why everyone gets different results for the same object. This doesn't seem fair, right? Deepa and her friends try to measure their classroom table. Anish says it's more than 13 handspans. Padma says it's exactly 13. Tasneem says it's less than 13. So who's right? Actually, everyone is right, but their unit, the handspan, is different. This made the children realize something important. We need common and standard units so that everyone gets the same result while measuring. And that's where standard units like centimeter and meter come in. In our next part, we'll learn about these standard units like the meter, centimeter, millimeter, and how they are used. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduAccess for more learning videos.